So today we're going to see how to install VirtualBox in Windows 11. So first of all, open your Chrome and type VirtualBox. And here it is, Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. Okay, it is going to take time, but it will open. Okay, here we go. Now click on this blue button, the download VirtualBox. Okay, wait, let me just. Okay, here we go. Now click on Windows host, and here it is. It has been started installing. Now scroll down and search for VirtualBox and extension pack, and click on this all supported platforms. Okay, so I have already been installed the VirtualBox. So let's open it. Click on yes. Click on next. Now here VirtualBox USB support. Click on this arrow and click on this entire feature will be unavailable. Click on it. Click on next. Next. Yes. Install. Now click on finish. And here we go. Now, thank you for watching and please like, subscribe and share.